So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can add contact in Trust Wallet. So guys, if you're new to this app and you don't know how to add a Trust Wallet, then this video is for you. All you need to do is just look up at the top left corner that has a gear icon, and once you go there, you'll find many options over here like wallets, price alerts, address book, scan QR code, wallet connect, and many more. We just need to go ahead and tap on address book over here, and guys, just go ahead and tap on add wallet address. It says that you need to enter the wallet name and you need to add an address, and once you do that, yes, you would be able to successfully add a contact in your Trust Wallet. As you can see, I've added a contact right here. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. That's how you add contact in Trust Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.